Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, PC Error Fix. While diagnosing an inactive internet connection, seeing the error message Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration on Windows 10 or Windows 11 system, then this video tutorial is for you. Here have a look at the solutions you need to try. Solution 1, Reset TCP IP. Solution 2, Disable and enable the network adapter. Solution 3, Release and renew IP address. Solution 4, Reset the network settings. Solution 5, Reinstall the wireless network adapter. Now before starting with the detailed steps in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, also ring the bell to get notified when another video lands. Solution 1, Reset TCP IP. The IP configuration failure may cause the error, so resetting it may works for you. Press Windows plus X key and select Command Prompt Admin option from the menu. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press the Enter key. Exit the command prompt and restart the computer. Solution 2, Disable and enable the network adapter. This will solve the internal glitches that might by interrupting the Wi-Fi and causing the error. Hit the Windows plus R key and in the run box that opens type pa.cpl and hit OK. Then in the Network and Sharing Center window right-click on the Change Adapter Settings. Once the Network and Sharing Center shows up on the screen, right-click the wireless network adapter and choose Disable. Now wait for a couple of seconds and right-click the Wi-Fi adapter and choose Enable. Solution 3, Release and renew IP address. Releasing and renewing IP addresses release the current IP address and allow your PC to request the latest IP address from the router and get a new IP address. Type the CMD in the Windows search box. Right-click on the command prompt and click on the Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following commands and press the Enter key after each command. Lastly, type the exit on command prompt to close it. Solution 4, Reset the network settings. There are chances your network settings are configured incorrectly or get corrupted. So, resetting the network settings, set it to default and solve the error for you. Hit the Windows plus key and choose the Network and Internet. And click on Network Reset option, and then on Reset Now. Once the process is finished, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Solution 5, Reinstall the wireless network adapter. Uninstalling and reinstalling the wireless network adapter on your computer fix the corrupted network driver that might be causing the error. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your wireless network adapter and select Uninstall Device. So, these are fixes that work for you to solve Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration error on Windows PC. Let me know in the comments section below if the fixes directed works for you. Also do like and subscribe to our channel.